why you should get the COVID-19 vaccine. So what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is a virus that has turned into a worldwide pandemic. Millions of people have become ill, and countless others have lost their lives. What's being done regarding COVID-19? Since the beginning of 2020, there have been many safety measures put in place to prevent the further spread of COVID-19. Some of these measures put in place have been social distancing, keeping 6 feet away from other people, wearing cloth facial coverings whenever you're outside of your house, and avoiding large gatherings, including parties, weddings, celebrations, as well as going into stores and indoor dining. So where did we get to? For months, they've been working on creating a vaccine to prevent the further spread of COVID-19. They've just released one, and the first priority now is giving this vaccine to healthcare workers and other frontline workers. So yes, there is a vaccine. They've only been giving it for the last several days. There was recently a report published by the CDC discussing the benefits of the vaccine. The benefits. One major benefit is that COVID-19 can be life-threatening and everyone handles it differently. COVID-19 can also be fatal. The vaccine must pass many clinical trials and prove its safety before it's eligible to be approved for administration, and the risks associated with the vaccine must outweigh the risks of the disease. This comes from the report published by the CDC titled Benefits of Getting a COVID-19 Vaccine. So what does the vaccine do? This report from the CDC continues by saying that it prepares your immune system to fight COVID-19 if you are exposed. It also can decrease the impact of COVID-19 on your body if you do become infected after being immunized. And in general, the big goal of this vaccine is that it helps to stop the spread of a pandemic. So, is it safe? There's been a lot of talk in the media about this vaccine. A lot of people question how safe it is, given that they just came up with it, and more people just don't trust it. So, why are people against getting the vaccine that could potentially save their life? Some people don't believe that COVID-19 is real. Others just don't think that it'll affect them. Some people don't know what to believe. From the beginning, there have been flip-flopping ideas on how to prevent this disease from spreading. There have been many policies and procedures put in place that a week later were changed and then went back to what they were before. An article titled Why So Many Americans Are Skeptical of a Coronavirus Vaccine also detailed other issues such as previous racial inequality in healthcare, such as medical experimentation and forced sterilization on minorities and people that were considered what they referred to as mentally feeble. There's also many conspiracy theories, like that this vaccine is a way for microchipping people. A lot of other people just don't trust the vaccine because they don't know what process led to the creation of the vaccine, and they don't understand why it's safe. So, what's being said about getting it? Healthcare workers, like I said, are the first to get the vaccine, as are other frontline workers. Some people are sharing some of their stories. Dave Onder is a paramedic in northeastern Pennsylvania. He got the vaccine, as he put it, to protect his daughters, his wife, and the rest of his family. Interviewing Dave Onder, he said that after getting the vaccine, his arm hurt like hell, and he also had a low-grade fever for the better part of a day. After that day of having low-grade fever, he now says he feels great. And his theory on getting the vaccine and the future of COVID-19 is that we will all get through it. A flight paramedic in the eastern Pennsylvania region, Becker, also recently got the COVID-19 vaccination. Talking to Rick, he feels that this vaccine is important for protecting himself, his family, and his patients. Rick had a little bit of discomfort at his injection site, however, he said he felt nothing else other than that. Rick wanted to express his sincere gratitude to scientists, government officials, and especially the truck drivers who delivered the vaccine, and Rick wants to remind everyone that there are better days ahead. So, what should we take home from all this? COVID vaccine was tested and approved and is now among the highest recommendations of the CDC. Because of its approvals, it has been proven to be safe, and this vaccine is a significant milestone in our continuous battle against COVID-19. So for now, the best thing that you can do is get yourself protected, protect your family, your community, and the rest of the world in the attempt to eradicate this pandemic. By getting the COVID vaccine, you are actively taking a role in defeating the COVID-19 virus.